Well, once again, I feel at this time we are exuberant and very happy to have got the results of the MBOs of the science and commerce stream. Once again, our school have done very well, though we have not had such a very high expectation because the batch that we are having this time was the batch which we have taken admission during the pandemic. And in spite of that, in fact, all the students, good students from other states could not come because of this pandemic. So fortunately, at least, we also have a majority of our students are mainly from Meghalaya. And in fact, in the science stream, we saw the three students who got the rank, they are Khasis. And so we wish to congratulate them. There is not the thing called impossible for our students that they can do it. And so we are happy that three of our Khasi students also got rank holders from St. Anthony's. And from the commerce stream, we've got 6 rank holders. The commerce, they have extremely done very well. And I wish to congratulate the students, the teachers, parents, and everyone who are involved in encouraging and inspiring and following up the students. And the science stream, we've got around 91.41 percentage on the whole. And the commerce stream, 97.77 percentage. So on the whole, we are satisfied with the results. But interacted with the teachers, the science teachers were completely down. They were very, very sad because they have the science students have never put them down. At the same time, also they have always worked hard. But this time, even some of them shed tears because they have not come up to the expectation they said. But all the same, I encouraged them. I said, never mind, because there is always time that we need to lower our our pride. We have to humble ourselves, and we have to keep on pushing our students. Ultimately, it is, if we have done our part, we have put our best, we are not to be blamed, I told them. And so perhaps our students, we've given the chance, but they have not proved themselves to be serious. Certainly we cannot just expect to get ranks. Ultimately, those rank holders, maybe they have taken seriously about what the teachers have been teaching them, and that's why those students, they deserve. But the rest, of course, the fact that we could not interact and could not talk face to face, that's the problem. So at the same time, we are quite happy. But on the whole, taking into as it has been in other years, teachers, I'm sure students also were not fully happy. But all the same, we wish them, the present batch and the other batches will be coming to do their best.